Good evening, everybody. It is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. Yes, I am sitting here crocheting. I was knitting earlier. I am crocheting now. I told you all that I would give you daily updates as to my, what did Jaxi call it? I think she said loaded. Which I think is so cute. That Jaxi, you gotta love her. She is a ball of energy, and I absolutely love it. I really, really, really do. Okay, so updates. I am currently working on my Little Red Riding Hood. That's what I decided to call her. My Little Red Riding Hood. It is so fitting. Yes. So this is what we're doing here. We are going to show you the progress. I'm only going to show you the progress of the loaded, which is luck of the draw. And I only got 2 of my 6 pieces where they need to be. One being my cow. If you don't remember my colors, I had buff, which is mainstay, and brown, which is mainstay. I think that's brown. It looks brown. Why can you never find the colorway on these when you're looking for them? Okay, it says brown. And of course we have yellow. And then I can't see myself, so I'm trusting that you're there. We have white. We have black. And all of this is mainstay. All of this except the red is mainstay. This is anti-peeling black, but all the rest of it is mainstay. The red that I have is, if I'm not mistaken, this is I'm looking right at it, Karen 1 pound. Before Big Twist came along, Karen 1 pound was my go-to. I am an acrylic yarn lover as well. The softer, the better. So, like I said, this so far is my cow. I can tell you now that I did not get a lot done today. Reason being, I went to bed at a reasonable time last night. And because I went to bed at a reasonable time, I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning with the worst headache I've had in my life. And my foot throbbing. I think I told you all that I was dealing with gout. So I laid back down and I went back to sleep, and then I didn't get up until 3 this afternoon. And I've been pushing and pedaling through since then. Shortly after that, my grandbabies left for the day. They will be back tomorrow. And then I had time to work on these things. The second thing that I got to work on was my amigurumi snake. So this is how much we've done as far as those are concerned. And my colorway with that was this variegated green. It's kind of like green and blue, and it's different shades of green, blue and white. I think this was Chi, if I'm not mistaken, and this is Mandala Ombre. I call it grape in my colorway. This I call floral. It creates a beautiful little design if knitted, but we're not knitting it. This one is periwinkle. And we have purple, and we have lilac. Okay, let me help myself out a little bit here. because I have a bit of a mess going on. Okay. Alright, so get these put back up, and of course my first colors on those have been done, and my base colors have been added in. And being that my snake is going to be kind of long, I'm looking at it being 260 rounds. So what I did was 10 rounds in my base color, 15 rounds in my luck of the draw color. And of course I don't know what the next color is going to be until it's drawn, but at least it's not, you know, my luck of the draw items are not just sitting here idle. I have not had the opportunity to crochet the others yet. I did take the time to assemble the colors. So what I've done for you so this, and I know you can't see all of the colors in there, but they are mainstay as well, sparkly, those that are in the red bucket. And at top is Karen 1 pound, and that's like gray, pink, white, variegated. I'm trying to get that so you can see it without the glare on it so much. Okay, but those colors in the bucket are purple, silver, pink, and blue. And that is going to be Show Striper, I believe, which is a blanket. Yeah, Show Striper. And then we have these beautiful blues. It's 4 different blues. The 5th color is white, and red will be added. All of these are Big Twist. The white that will be added is the Karen 1 pound. No, the white that will be added is Mainstay, and the red that will be added will be Big Twist. It'll be the Big Twist Varsity Red from the Value Pound Plus. And the others, I don't have where they are. I didn't pull them together. I have them kind of close at hand, but not pulled together. So, and those blues are for the cow turtleneck. So the two that I'm not showing you are, because I don't have those colors pulled together right now, are the Granny Square Blanket, which is the Watermelon Gnome, orange, teal, and yellow, and the base color is red, and the Amigurumi Egg, which is baby blue lilac. It's pastels, baby blue lilac, pink, yellow, green, and the base color is white. So I'm keeping my notebook up. Also, in me pulling my colors together, I was able to pull together some yarns that I had purchased that I was like, oh yes, I want that. I don't know if you remember, but I wanted to do my 5 beach blankets this year, which I kind of put off for a while. And this is 9 skeins of different variations of purple. I know that looks white in the middle, but that's because of the glare. But it is it's more like a lavender actually. And then of course that's the warm brights at the top. That white that's at the bottom, I guess it's your right, my left, that's the Mainstay white that I'll be using. The bigger ball over to your left, my right, is the Karen 1 pound off-white that I will be using with the warm brights. This, y'all, I don't even know what this is going to end up being. But these colors together, they screamed to me. They did. The only thing I have to add to it is the watermelon. All of this is a big twist. All of this, except the orange. The orange is mainstay. But all the rest of it, no. That orange is big twist. I didn't get any orange in the mainstay. So all of this is big twist. Do you all see that variegated yarn? It's got like blue, black, pink, green. It's got everything in it. And that teal and yellow and orange and the watermelon. Oh, guys, that is going to be gorgeous. Whatever it ends up being, I can hardly wait. So in my working today, I was able to get the snake tail done. I got the first 3 rounds done on the infinite scarf or cowl. I was able to get of the extra large scarf. I was able to get 35 rows done of that. I promised myself 25 rows a day, but I did more. I was able to get a row and some done, about a row and a half done on Little Red Riding Hood. And I took my medicine, I ate, and it's been a day. It's been a day. I'll probably be up for a little while. I don't know, I may jump on the YouTube streets a little to get hours in. And yeah, I still have to figure out how to use StreamYard. So that's where I'll be. I would like to thank all of my subscribers. I definitely want to thank all of my subscribers. I appreciate all of you all's comments. Let me know in the comments of this video which of the 2 items that I showed you of my luck of the draw do you like best? The cowl or the snake, the amigurumi snake? And which colorways did you like? And also let me know, did you like that last colorway that I showed you that had all of those beautiful rainbow colors in them, and the colors that I've chosen to accent them? Let me know. I have these other 2 scarves that I'm working on that are knitted as well. Guys, I've got a lot on my hooks and my needles, and I have enough to keep me busy for a while. The gratification right now, I'm kind of trying to break my need for instant gratification. So that's why I've elected to, it's one of the reasons I've elected to do so many projects. The other reason is, if I had chosen just a blanket or just either one of these items, then the time it's taken me to collect everything and do one, I mean, you look at it, I've gotten 2 to where they need to be, and I can't touch those again until Thursday. And I'd be sitting here twiddling my thumbs going ape guava crazy. So we each have to do what it takes for us. I have a need, I have a desire, I have a drive, I have a compulsion to be creative every single day. I think I told you all one time that, many times actually, that I crochet every day. I think since I have been back in my crocheting mode over the past, oh wow, over the past probably 16 years, that there have been less than a handful of days that I've been conscious that I haven't had hooked to yarn. It's not an addiction. It's like, it's life to me. It really is. Excuse me, please. So, I will pop in tomorrow, probably later in the evening, because I'm giving myself all day to work on these things. But I will pop in tomorrow to let you know my progress on the luck of the draw items that I have chosen and how far I've gotten on them. And I will see you guys then. In the meantime, in between time, please remember to love yourselves, because self-love is the greatest love of all, and you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved, and you deserve the best. Remember, Kitty Lane told you that. So until we meet each other again on these YouTube streets,